What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, Jose and I did a bike swap. Before we went to the Harley demo day, we actually switched bikes. He is riding my 2018 Honda CBR650F and I am riding his 2020 Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. This is our review of each other's bikes. So stay tuned and we'll get perspective on each bike. All right. Ooh. So I'm on the balls of my feet with this.
Oh, you know the preload's up a little high too.
Huh?
The preload's up
Yeah.
high too.
The preload on this is a little bouncy too for mine.
Okay.
Yeah, it's more for comfort.
I stiffened this up a little bit.
Yeah, I did. I unstiffened that one. I don't know if you wanted that or not.
Okay.
Nice little gauge there. Let me put the.
I don't know if I can get my feet up.
Oh yeah. You want to go or you want me to lead?
Huh?
You want me to lead?
Yeah.
Alright, so here we go. Whoop. Alright, so we are on the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. Nice little smooth action. It's actually very smooth. Look at this, it got some power to it. I like the seating position. It's very neutral and it's very comfortable, very upright, very nimble. Like Jose said, this is a beginner / intermediate bike. You know, this doesn't have gobs of power or anything, but if you are learning, also if you are a person looking for a second bike, definitely take a look at these. If you like that classic look with the, and you don't want the classic headaches to go with it, you know, these Royal Enfields are very nice. Ooh, the torque on it, the engine braking. Nice pickup. It picks up. It's nothing nothing crazy, but it picks up. So you get a nice little instrument cluster there. You know, it gives you the RPMs and the speed, obviously. Jose does have this windshield in front. It's a nice. It doesn't. You're buffering on it, no buffering on the face. You know, Jose's 6'1", 6 foot, so he feels comfortable on it. So I like the bar ends. I think I might have to get some bar ends for the Honda. These bar ends are very nice. It picks up. I mean, you know, I like the power delivery. You know, it's very docile for people that, you know, he uses this as a daily commuter. So daily commuting on this bike, that would be nice. You know, you put some I mean, he has a tank bag and he has the bag on the back, so you know, this is very comfortable, something you could ride in the streets. It's light enough. You could lane split, but you're not allowed to lane split here in New Jersey. But if you can, if you have to, and you know, a lot of people knock these bikes because they're down on power, they're heavy. But you know what? There's a purpose for this bike, and I feel the purpose for this one. It's a nice commuter. That retro styling, and everything's modern. and it gets you from A to B. I mean, I'm cruising right here at 45, and it's not even struggling. Like, it's not like a 300 or, you know, I mean, yeah, of course, everyone wants more power, but, you know, at the end of the day, if you're just going to use this bike for commuting or just, you know, hitting back roads, why not, you know?
Something so satisfying with a fucking 4-cylinder, man.
Yeah. I was gonna say, did you bring your earplugs? Because I was gonna say, did you bring your earplugs?
Yes, but I didn't put it on.
Same here. Yeah, it's smooth, man.
Yeah, right?
It picks up. It, you know, I feel like there's a real purpose for it. I mean, what? It's not, the purpose for it is not to go 95, but you could use this as a commuter. Yeah. So we're gonna
From point A to point B, and
rather,
relax.
yeah. So this is a 650 parallel twin engine. Like Jose said, this is putting about 47 horsepower, about 32 foot-pounds of torque. You know, I feel like these are a nice beginner intermediate bike. You know, this feels like the shifting wise and stuff, like where the power is made, is like my Harley. You know, it's down low, you don't have to high strung this. I mean, let's put it all the way into 6. You're in 6, we're at 3K, we're rolling at 50. I mean, now you do have to work this engine. If I wanted to pass these people, I have to work this engine a little bit, and that's fine, you know. I mean, I feel like you have to keep it around 3-4 grand right now. That's where most of your torque is. You know, he did put risers on here, so it's a little higher for him, because like I said, he's 6 foot. So if you ever guys thinking about getting this, you're over 6 foot. Yeah, 3-inch, I think these are 3-inch risers, 2-inch risers. So, you know, that's something to think about. Got it up to 70, no problem. It still had juice. You know, in the right situations, you gotta, you know, you have some power with this bike. I mean, the ride is very comfortable, a little bouncy, but it's built for comfort. You know, like I said, Jose did Lake George with this. That's what, 3 hours, 3.5 hours on this. He was fine. He had to just stretch his legs once in a while, but you know, that was nothing nothing crazy. Did you get on it?
Little man, but nothing out of 4-cylinder.
There's a nice little induction sound. Well, not like that, but you know, we've always been telling Jose you should put some pipes on this. Nothing too crazy. Nice and nimble. I really like this bike. You know? You're not gonna win a lot of races, but you know what, if it gets you to point A to point B, why not? The seating position on here is relatively comfortable. The seat is very comfortable. So we are here at the Harley dealer. Yep. Short little ride.
Yeah.
How was it?
I have to get used to slow maneuvers with the fairing staying there. Like, I have a problem with just like turning it and I don't see the mirrors turning with me.
Mm-hmm.
It's a disconnect. Like, I
Mm-hmm.
don't get it. Like, I have to get it together like that.
Yeah. I was thinking about putting bar ends on mine.
Oh, like this? No,
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Like this.
It's just the mirrors. I think it's the mirrors, not so much this. I don't see, like, it's just weird, you know? Like,
Yeah.
I'm just having a little trouble getting there. It's not as sporty as I thought it was going to be.
No, no.
Like, I'm actually still pretty, like, I don't put a lot of pressure in my end.
So think of the CBR650F. It's almost the same tree, but this, see this part, is under. So it puts you here.
The triple clamp is up top.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like this just feels like yeah, like I'm a little leaned over and my feet are aggressive.
Uh-huh.
But I'm so high up enough that I'm just like I don't, there's no weight on my.
Yeah.
I can actually probably do that for a while.
Yeah.
Now what I don't like is that when I rip on it a little bit and then I'm.
Yeah, that's why you got to get on top of the bike before you start ripping on it.
Yeah.
You know, it does kick you back if you're not ready.
Yeah, because I'm a sail up here.
Yeah.
I mean, like, but yeah, I think I can daily this.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, it's not too sporty. It's sporty enough, and you have fun with it.
Are we gonna park here?
I guess. These are bike spots.
How was it?
Nice, nice. Very smooth, comfortable ride. I hit those railroad tracks. I didn't feel anything. It was like it was just like a cloud.
It's yeah, I mean, look, coming from a Harley guy, you know, shocks are not your.
No. Even with the shocks I have now, I mean, I stiffen them up, so because I get aggressive. But this is, you know, I feel like if you're on a budget, which you were, you're new, which you were, there's nothing wrong with this. No, I mean, you know, people are like, oh, the style, whatever. But if you like that old classic look, and you're, you know, you don't need friggin' 900 horsepower when you first start riding. You definitely don't. I mean, I got on it in first gear when we turned. It pulled, but it was good enough to handle, like, yeah, you know, yeah. All right, guys. So we're here at the Bergen Harley, and we're gonna do some demo rides. So the Harley demos will be on a separate video, but if you like today's video, guys, please hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button. And thanks, and have a great day. Oh, hey, what's going on, guys? You made it to the end of the video, but it's not over. I know you want to. Just click this video right here. Right. If not, just subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.